If you want them to change for you, crave you, chase you, and long for your love, this meditation will make you so unforgettable, irresistible, and magnetic that they will do anything and everything to be with you. The more you repeat this meditation, the more they will change to the best version of themselves for you. Listen daily, feel the energy shift, and watch them become the perfect partner for you. Now let's begin. You are stepping into your new reality now. A reality shaped by your inner world. A reality where your desires are law. A reality where circumstances no longer matter. Everything shifts the moment you decide. Everything bends to your inner state. You are entering the version of your life where love shows up for you naturally, where connection flows easily, where your person rises to meet the standard you hold. You don't chase, you attract, you assume, and it becomes. Feel this truth settle into your heart. Your love story moves in the direction of your belief, not your circumstances. And now you shift into the version of yourself who is completely loved, chosen, and prioritized. Now take a deep breath and let this energy guide you as you move into these affirmations. They see you with new clarity, with new devotion, with new certainty. They recognize your value instantly and completely. Something inside them awakens when they think of you. A pull, a knowing, a deep desire to be better for you. They choose you because they finally understand how rare you are. Unforgettable. The one who stands out in every room, in their mind and in their heart. They step up effortlessly because loving you brings out the best in them. They become more patient, more attentive, more emotionally present. They show you through their actions that you matter. They become consistent, steady, and clear about what they want. They feel drawn to protect you, support you, and care for you in ways they never have before. They communicate with honesty, vulnerability, and maturity. Every day they align more deeply with the partner you deserve. Your energy inspires their growth. Your presence motivates their evolution. Your connection calls them into their highest self. They feel proud to love you, lucky to have you, driven to keep you. They give you affection freely, attention naturally, effort without hesitation. They choose honesty over confusion, clarity over excuses, you over everything else. Your softness brings out their gentleness. Your strength inspires their loyalty. Your presence makes them certain. They feel safe loving you, excited loving you, inspired loving you. What they feel with you is unlike anything they have ever known. A connection that moves them to show up correctly, consistently, and with intention. Your worth is undeniable to them. Your beauty affects them. Your energy shifts them. Your love transforms them. They step into commitment with ease, into devotion naturally, into your life with clarity and purpose. Your presence elevates them. Your energy empowers them. They show up as the partner you always knew they could be, loving you deeply, clearly, and without hesitation. Because loving you feels right. It feels peaceful. It feels true. They speak to you with honesty because they finally feel safe being real. No confusion, no mixed signals, only steady effort. They tell you how much you mean to them, how deeply they feel, that loving you feels different, right, and that they never want to lose you. Their words are gentle, intentional, loving. They listen to understand, not argue. They meet your needs without hesitation. You feel chosen in every conversation, wanted in every interaction, adored in every moment. You feel the shifts, the warmth in their voice, the emotion behind every message, every look, every touch. They reach out first, initiate with excitement, show genuine interest in your thoughts, your feelings, your world. They want to know you deeply, understand you fully, protect your heart in a way no one ever has. They reassure you easily, make you feel safe without asking. Give affection naturally because you matter. Their love becomes steady and comforting, like warm light around your heart. Familiar, soothing, grounding. You feel their devotion in a way. They touch you, soft, intentional, full of meaning. You feel their commitment in the way they hold you, as if letting go is no longer an option. Their presence feels like safety. Their words feel like truth. Their love feels like home. You feel cherished, gently and powerfully at the same time. Appreciated for everything you are, your softness, your strength, your beauty, your heart. They see your worth clearly now, your value without question, your magic without doubt. They don't compare you. They don't entertain distractions. Their energy is focused on you fully, naturally, with certainty. You feel their loyalty in a way they choose you. Their desire in the way they look at you. Their love in the way they treat you. You feel special, wanted, needed, deeply connected. Their love feels warm, grounding, meant for you. Every day they become more open, expressive, and loving. They offer emotional safety, clarity, effort, because loving you is effortless. They respect you. They admire you, cherish you, and they make sure you feel it, not through promises, but through action, through consistency, through the way they show up without hesitation. Their love is real. It grows. It stays. You are sinking deeper now into this new reality. Everything aligns in your favor, where love moves towards you effortlessly, where your person rises into the partner you always deserved. Feel how natural it is for things to go right, how normal it feels to be chosen, how expected it is that they show up better than ever. Let your body soften. Let your mind open. Let your heart receive. Because everything you desire is already flowing to you. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, "They changed for me instantly," to affirm this meditation. Listen to this for 21 days. Repetition is the key to making these truths your reality. If this resonated with you, return anytime you need to reconnect with love, devotion, and your irresistible love energy. And remember to subscribe for more meditations that elevate your love, energy, and life.